This is the hour, the darkest place. Dante's Inferno, the devil's maze. It's a good world, good world gone bad.
Help it! Pull out front of the ball.
Come on, girl. How's that? What do? You make your wife do it. What's going on, everybody? So we are on our way to Montana right now. We are getting ready to do a bore section for a company up here. And basically what we're going to be doing is they are going to be pushing the casing down the hole, and then we're gonna cut the push head off, pull it up, we'll grab us another piece of casing, throw it on, weld it, and then they can push it down the hole. So we got a little bit of work to get done over there. Just coming through Montana at the moment. We are like, what, 45 minutes from Big Sky?
Yep, something like that.
I think we're about 45 minutes from Big Sky. And anyways, got a little bit to go. We're headed to Colstrip, Montana, to the powerhouse. Gonna be a pretty good place to be for a little while. Just finished up with a Costco run with Casey. If you're gonna go out on the road, get you a Costco card. I mean, we literally got everything for a week's worth of meals for about 145 bucks. Pretty freaking good, and that's for 2 of us, possibly 3 of us. Ton of food. But one of the things we did is we needed a little bit of lunch, so you know, Schofield's, we rock and roll with the shrimp. Okay? Gotta eat like a king. Onwards. Go get our hotel room, eh?
Yep, go get 1 king bed.
Go in there and go take care of them.
We'll go be friends.
Go be friends.
Okay.
You don't want to drink the old hotel water?
Dude, that's some gnarly stuff there.
I think it's in that side door if it's not on the floor right there. Oh, take me to your bedroom, big boy.
Or the stop sign leaving the gas station. I didn't know which way to. I was like, yeah.
And?
Only let me get 2 packs. It's 2 packs per buyer.
Casey, what are you doing?
I'm standing on the back of the bed so that I can hold this on there, hold the beveler on here, because Randy wants us to be really careful.
Because it's life-threatening.
It is. I will lose my life if something happens to this.
Guys, just knocked out my 3.25 mile run. Took me about 30 minutes and like 55 seconds or something like that. Tough run all the way around like this little mountain, but anyways, headed back in, gonna go grab a shower real quick and then come out. We're gonna get ready to start grilling for dinner, so we'll see you guys here in just a little bit. Okay,
Maybe I'm coming to some of the bullshit I say.
No, that's what I try to explain to people. I don't put any words in it. It's all B-roll.
Right.
It's just showing a story. It's all. No inside joke. I just fucking. It's a day.
Yeah.
If you guys have made it this far into this video, we love you guys. Thank you for everything. We really do appreciate it. Guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share this with your friends, share it with whoever. It's the only way we grow. The only way this channel grows is through you guys. So we really do appreciate everything everybody's doing. But guys, just to wrap up this job, the cameras wound up dying. So we never did go back to the hotel room for that night. That was our last day on the job, so we never recharged cameras, and so we didn't get any of the trip home. We didn't get any of the rest of the day, really. That was the end of the day. The speaker died on us, but anyways, it was just kind of a wreck there towards the end as far as filming and for YouTube. But anyways, we're getting ready to head back out to the job again, and should be a pretty good time. We head back out on the 4th. We got one more board to do, and should be there for about 3 or 4 days, and then be on our way back. So hope y'all had a great rest of your day. We'll talk to you here in a bit. Be blessed. See ya.